10 tips buying gold for retirement planning. 1. Diversify your portfolio, include gold alongside stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk. 2. Educate yourself, learn about different types of gold investments to make informed decisions. 3. Assess your risk tolerance, understand gold's volatility and adjust your strategy accordingly. 4. Choose reliable dealers, use reputable dealers to ensure authenticity and avoid fraud. 5. Consider storage options, decide where to store your physical gold based on security and costs. 6. Monitor market trends, stay updated on economic factors that affect gold prices. 7. Seek professional guidance, consult with experts for advice on gold investment strategies. 8. Avoid impulse purchases, be disciplined and focus on long-term planning rather than short-term market changes. 9. Assess liquidity needs, consider how quickly you may need to convert gold into cash. 10. Review and rebalance regularly, adjust your gold holdings to meet changing financial goals and market conditions. In retirement planning, gold offers stability and diversification amid economic uncertainties. By following these tips, you can confidently navigate gold investments and build a secure retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.